Imagine a factory running at full speed before a single real bolt exists. With Siemens Process Simulate, we project your entire production line into the virtual realm. Thanks to the human package, digital workers take the stage. They grasp, lift and tighten, ergonomically measurable down to the millimeter. Cables and hoses snake through space in real time. Bend radii, collision checks, and bracket positions light up instantly. Watch hands feel components, press buttons, and guide tools. Every gesture physically accurate. One click and cycle times, fields of vision, and load curves shine like spotlights in the dark. This is how we perfect layout, safety, and efficiency long before the first robot draws power. Curious to explore Process Simulate even further? Subscribe to my YouTube channel or reach out to me directly. I'd be thrilled to guide you.